Did you know some of the greatest astronomers in history were women? And they weren't just assistants either. They were out here changing science and correcting it and making discoveries that changed astronomy forever. First up, Elizabeth Hevelius. In the 1600s, she co-ran an observatory and helped map over 1,500 stars. But here's where it gets wild. When her husband died, she finished and published their massive star catalog on her own. She didn't just slap his name on it and call it a day. She made sure her name was on the cover. Queen Energy. King Louis XIV, yes, the actual Sun King, recognized her work. Next, we have Caroline Herschel. She wasn't just breaking barriers, she was breaking astronomy. She discovered 8 comets, multiple nebulae, and became the first woman to be paid as a scientist. Started training as a singer, which, okay, unexpected, but then she started working with her brother, William Herschel. And let's be real, she wasn't just an assistant, she was out here correcting entire star catalogs. She was the first woman to receive a gold medal from the Royal Astronomical Society. The next woman had to wait 100 years. About some of these receipts. Because Caroline didn't just discover things, she was fixing the work of official astronomers. In 1798, she found over 500 errors in the British Royal Astronomical Society's official star catalog and had to add an additional 561 new stars. Can you imagine finding out that the experts are wrong and then you have to go in and fix their homework? Her corrections are so accurate that they were still being used 100 years later. That's how you make your mark on history. In fact, NASA has actually named an asteroid, a comet, and a lunar crater after Caroline. Thanks to Elizabetha Hevelius and Caroline Herschel, we have had some of the most accurate early star maps in history. They didn't just study the stars, they rewrote astronomy. We learn about these women in school. Drop a comment below if you want to know more about some hidden history.